For iPhone users, OpenAI has rolled out an official ChatGPT app that's arguably the best way to engage with the chatbot on iOS. Experiencing ChatGPT's responses to a wide array of prompts is truly captivating, and sometimes it's almost eerily impressive. This chatbot, a brainchild of OpenAI and launched in 2022, is not only accessible via web browsers in both its free and premium forms, but also through dedicated apps for iOS and Android. Navigating through the world of ChatGPT on mobile devices might initially seem daunting, but worry not, we've crafted an easy-to-follow guide to help you master the ChatGPT mobile experience on both iOS and Android platforms. ChatGPT on iOS. For iPhone users, OpenAI has rolled out an official ChatGPT app that's arguably the best way to engage with the chatbot on iOS. It's a straightforward process. Just search for and download the official ChatGPT app from the App Store, log in or create an account, and you're ready to start chatting with the AI. If you're new to ChatGPT, you'll need to sign up with your details and confirm your mobile number. But don't fret, if your number isn't accepted, there are alternative ways to get started, including some third-party apps. ChatGPT on Android. For Android users, the process mirrors that of the iOS app, despite the absence of an official OpenAI app on the Google Play Store. However, several alternative apps offer ChatGPT-like experiences. Registration typically involves verifying your identity with a mobile phone number. Remember, no virtual or VoIP numbers, and then you're set to explore the capabilities of ChatGPT. Beyond the official avenues, the app landscape is rich with alternatives. iOS users can check out apps like Genie and Chatten, each offering unique features and different levels of user experience. Genie stands out with its advanced capabilities but requires a subscription for extensive use. Chatten offers a more basic experience but is a more affordable option. For Android, options like Nova and ChatSonic provide a ChatGPT-like experience with their own twists. Nova offers a sleek interface with a subscription model, while ChatSonic claims to exceed the abilities of ChatGPT by integrating image generation and voice interaction features. If you prefer to steer clear of app downloads, both iOS and Android users can always access ChatGPT through their favorite web browsers like Safari and Chrome, directly on the OpenAI website. This browser-based access ensures you can enjoy the ChatGPT experience without the need for additional software on your mobile device.